landing page optimization advice using Google Ads. Okay, I am currently running a Google search ads campaign for a consultancy business, and I'm looking to optimize the landing page based on some Google Analytics J4 data. From the analytics, I noticed that roughly 40% of the visitors go straight to the our team page. Okay, after landing, this makes me think that the visitors are looking for trust signals, perhaps wanting to see who is behind the company before taking any steps. Given that, I'm considering adding a few team member profiles or headshots directly to the landing pages to surface that credibility earlier. Right now, the landing page doesn't yet have a contact form embedded. Users have to click through to a separate contact page. I'm debating whether to add a short contact form directly onto the landing page or to first test the impact of adding a team member before introducing another major change. Would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, so that's good that you are optimizing and closely monitoring what users are doing on your website. I really appreciate it. Given in your scenario where you said, yeah, exactly right. People are moving to the our team page means they need credibility, more trust. So I think that you can add, as you have said, that you can add your team member profile, few team member profiles on landing page, plus give a link, plus give a direct link to your team page. So it's a good addition. Add more credibility, and it could be done through adding more case studies or reviews or any authentic award or any credibility which can help you increasing more trust. I think adding this will also help you because I assume that the users are lacking trust or they need a more confidence to go with you. So this will all help you in that scenario. And regarding the contact form is not yet embedded, my opinion is to add the contact form on the landing page as embedded. Okay, this is going to help you. This is a tried and tested formula. I've been working with many brands, and so far many companies. I feel that your visitor is the most laziest person in the world, and they need an urge to take an action, and you are asking them to visit another page to fill the form. No, make the process easier. All the information should be displayed without less of a scroll. I think that even the scrolling is, like this scrolling is, I believe, is the difficult task for my audience, my visitor, and I want to give them as easy access possible. So I will add the contact form, and that too without scrolling. So I need to keep in mind maximum information without scrolling, but not too much diversification or making the user confused. No, that is not required. Give the pointer the only information which is required to generate your user, and yes, add team member profile on your landing page and give a direct link to your team page. Along that, team member profile pictures, small pictures are basic details, and this will help in increasing credibility and more sales. So yeah, I hope this answers your question regarding landing page optimization for Google Ads. And if anyone needs a professional help in Google Ads audit, setup management, or landing pages, we also help clients with the Google Ads management, and even we help clients with landing page creation and website development. So if you want our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as ARSWEBS.com, a Google Ads partner company, and you can hire us through the link in the description, and I look forward to working with you. I hope this answers your question. Take care and bye-bye.